In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add multiple headers in Wix Studio. First, go to the Wix website and sign into your account. Once you are logged in, you will arrive at your dashboard. From there, choose the site you want to edit so you can open it inside Wix Studio. When your site opens, go to the page where you want to create the extra header area. Scroll to the top of the page and look just below the main header. This is where you will place your second header. Instead of trying to create another official header element, you will add a new section directly underneath the existing one. This section will work like a second header and can hold the same types of content. After adding the new section, begin designing it based on what you want visitors to see. You can insert text, a navigation menu, buttons, a logo, or any other design elements that fit your layout. Keep the structure clean so it feels like a natural extension of the top area of the page. This is useful if you want to highlight important links, announcements, promotions, or secondary navigation. Next, position the section carefully so it sits directly under the main header without any unwanted space. Check the alignment and make sure the width matches the layout of the rest of your site. If needed, adjust the padding, margins, and spacing so the transition between the first header and the second one looks smooth and intentional. If you want this second header to appear on other pages, copy the section you created and paste it onto each page where you need it. Place it in the same position under the main header every time. This helps maintain a consistent design across your site. Once the layout is in place, review the layering and spacing of your elements. Make sure nothing overlaps and that both header areas remain easy to read and use. If there are menus, buttons, or logos in the second header, confirm that they are aligned properly and do not interfere with the main header above. After that, click Preview to test the page. Scroll through the top area and make sure both headers display the way you want. This is a good time to check the desktop and mobile views as well, so the layout stays clean on different screen sizes. When everything looks correct, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.